Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Today draw a sketch with me kids. Now pick pencil and paper. Draw now a sketch. See today what I am drawing. See and guess what is this kids. Draw now with me step by step how I am drawing. Wow, it's very easy to draw a simple, beautiful butterfly. Today I am drawing a sketch of a butterfly. Draw now kids, it's very easy to drawing a butterfly. This is a cute little butterfly. Now draw with me kids. Now coloring, I am doing orange color in body part of butterfly. Now color with me kids step by step. Next, I am doing purple color in circles of butterfly wings. Wow, it is a cute designing in butterfly wings. Now, I am doing pink color in wings of butterfly. Now, coloring with me kids in wings of butterfly. This is butterfly wings. W for wings. Now, coloring with me kids in butterfly wings. See how I am doing coloring in butterfly wings. B for butterfly wings. Now, next part of wings, I am coloring pink color. Now coloring with me kids and see how I am doing coloring. It's very easy to color in a simple sketch of butterfly. Now I am finishing my coloring in butterfly wings. B for butterfly.